What supplements, Weighing Nation? We have been getting lots of questions regarding raw CBUM supplements, so this is a quick video explaining the product line. First in line is the CBUM Itolate. So as you all know, Weighing Nation, Chris Bumstead, meron siyang list. Kaya yung isolate ay naging Itolate. Chris Bumstead specifically collaborated with Raw para gumawa ng sarili niyang product line, gumawa ng sarili niyang isolate protein. Ito yung mga gusto niyang flavors, ito yung ginagamit niya all year long, off-season or in-season. Comes in 6 different flavors, has 25 grams of protein. Pero yung calories niya, nagba-vary per flavor. So meron tayong vanilla at cinnamon crunch cereal, which is silang dalawa yung may pinakamababang calories. So meron din tayong strawberry bomb cake, birthday cake. This product ay para dun sa mga tao na gusto nyo ng fast-acting whey protein, high-grade whey protein right after you exercise or train. Next in line is the CBUM Whey Blend Protein. So it comes in 3 different flavors, vanilla, cookies and cream,